welcome back again. So now we're ready to put back the new speakers. This is the one I went for. Okay, so yeah, not too expensive. It's just £16 for the pair. So as you can see, I've adapted it already. I had to take one of the fittings here, and I had to clip some of the parts here just to make sure it fits into the card itself. So let me just do a mock-up of how that's gonna look. So it's gonna look like this. You can see a couple of the holes, like top here and the bottom here, are already lined up. See, where I had to take the remove the other one is because where this bezel fits in, and I'll be making a new hole for that part there, which is not hard at all. And then after that, that's it. That's what it's gonna look like, and then the cover goes back on. All right, so let's begin. First of all, the wiring, as I said earlier on, because it came with the adapter here. So this one came with the actual speakers itself. I adapted the end part. So how that's gonna go is we're gonna fit it in here. Okay, this clips on. Make sure I get it right there. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna secure it as well. I do have a gonna secure that. It's it clips in, but obviously just I don't want it to come into any contact or risk of that actually falling off at some point, but it should be secure enough. If it does, just open it up again and put it in, isn't it? Really? Okay, so that's that. It's a speaker. You just leave on it. Okay, there's a speaker. Connectors are there. Okay. It's in there. Let me get the screws on. This one. And this is the second one, and then just gonna make a hole that side there. For that, I'm gonna use. Let's have a look now. I've got it here. Actually, I've got one of these makers here. Just to make that. Okay, and then back. So notice sometimes you got the kink in here. So normally that would be that part of the bezel. Yep. And push in. There you go. Looks like nothing's happened. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same on the other side, same thing really. So hope, well, it just gives you a little bit of insight about doing something like that. But okay, thanks for watching, and watch out for other videos that I'm gonna be uploading. Thank you.